Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? And hello everyone and anyone new, thank you so much for being here today. I decided to do PolyGel with dual forms and will show you 3 ways that I've learned so far as I progress in doing PolyGel. It's still something I'm trying to get better at. Today I'm using Stiletto dual forms. Prep is typically the same when doing any enhancements. Then, for PolyGel, the one thing to do is to apply base coat. Similar to the lazy girl method, I find doing dual forms is also great for doing the non-dominant hand. The base coat needs to be cured, and time will vary according to your lamp wattage. For this first nail, I'll just go in straight with the PolyGel, which is the very basic and how I initially learned and did with my very first PolyGel kit. I have this dual-ended PolyGel brush with the brush at one end and a skinny spatula at the other. They usually come in PolyGel kits. Instead of the spatula, you can also squeeze the PolyGel straight from the tube. PolyGel kits also used to always come with slip solution, but I've noticed companies now steering away from including this, and I'll say more about that shortly. So there's the option of using slip solution or alcohol. I'm using alcohol here. The end result for all 3 methods will not appear different. In fact, new ways to use nail products are being discovered all the time. Once the PolyGel is laid neatly in the form, it is placed on the nail bed, starting to lay it at the cuticle area. Very light pressure is used to create a suction-like effect. Clean any spillage around the outside, though this doesn't mean necessarily that you won't have a little excess hang off after curing. Be sure to check the underside for bulking. I have a mini LED light which is out of view and will flash cure so the form stays in place. Then it is fully cured in the large lamp. Time will vary again according to your lamp. Removing the form is what I think most nail enthusiasts find challenging or annoying. For these Stiletto dual forms, the convenient tab at the end allows you to twist a little while gently pulling up. For the second nail, I used glossy, no white top coat. This was just something I saw and tried as well. I've heard this was to help the PolyGel, especially the sticky PolyGel, with the smooth surface to glide across. And again, I'm doing the different versions for you to see the same end result. This is cured briefly. And I also used alcohol for this one as a slip solution. I am loving on this blue shimmer. Again, this is flash cured under the small lamp, then fully cured according to your lamp. The difficulty in doing dual forms is also the same as Lazy Girl method, holding it in place while flash curing and keeping that best position of the form. Now, for this third nail, a base coat is placed first and cured. Base coats cure, leaving a sticky residue, which makes it possible to add embellishments without them sliding everywhere. This way of doing polygel with dual forms has been the long runner so far that I know of. I also believe this is why companies have started leaving the slip solution out, as I mentioned, with the idea that nail artists are now using alcohol or base coat. I feel like they could start including base coat because I do find it the easiest, especially with stickier polygels like this. It becomes less tacky when using the base coat. The other thing is it's less likely to cause air bubbles or leave a white residue. I used the base coat for this one, so after I feather the color in, I plan to add just a little hexagon glitter. And as you can see, they don't slide. I also put a small amount of clear polygel to create an undersurface for the glitter. Just a couple of reminders. Polygel takes more time to cure. It also can often cause burning sensations, so use the low heat mode. And don't forget to flip the hand. If necessary, you can wedge in at the sides a little to remove the dual form. Polygel will cure, leaving a sticky layer, so that needs to be wiped off. You can clip any excess hang off and trim like around the cuticle area with nippers. Now, I will finish the last two nails, then shape and file off camera and be back to do the top coat and reveal. One thing about shaping and filing, polygel is of a very firm but softer characteristic than acrylic. So filing can be easily done with a hand file and should never be done aggressively or with a coarse grit file. Now I can have nice nails on my dominant hand, made easy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, subscribe to my channel. There are other polygel videos for you to enjoy. I also do acrylics, and I think you will really enjoy my BOUJEE Nails on a Budget series. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, so don't forget to click the Nailification bell so that you can become part of the Nailification Squad. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Much love!